Hello all, welcome to Engineering World. So today we are going to discuss one of the project that is developed using C++. So that is number guessing game. So what do you mean by number guessing game? So here a computer will actually select it will generate a random number between 1 to 100 so that the player has to guess that. So that is number guessing game, and in this the player is playing the game. The computer will tell that whatever the player has guessed is higher or lower than the random number. So here firstly, to develop this program we should have the knowledge of some concepts in the C++ like loops, operators in C++, and rand function, C time standard library, and C std lib. So these are the some library functions we are going to use to develop this particular game. So firstly, here firstly we included some IO stream, and IO stands for input output stream, and C std lib, so standard library, and C time. It contains some functions like srand of time of 0. So this function is available in this particular library function. And here from the main function we have to understand, firstly we declared variables. So using data type int. So int random number, guess number, and number of tries is equals to 0. So we have also declared srand of time of 0. What does it mean? So this is available in library hash include c time. Okay, so that is to we have actually declared because for suppose whenever you are playing a game of this number guessing game, then firstly the computer will select a random number. Suppose think as it's selected as 5, and again after end of that particular game, again you have started the game, and again the computer will not select the 5 number as a random number because it will change, because we are using here srand time of 0. So that is the reason it is going to change the random number for each and every time the play whenever you are going to play the game. For suppose first time when you are playing maybe the random number is 5. Again second time you are going to play, the random number may be not 5, it may be other number. So like that, to change that random numbers, we have declared srand of time of 0. Okay, and also random number is equals to rand percentile 100 plus 1. So why have written here? Because it is a random number generation. So to generate a particular random number by the program, firstly you have to use this formula. Random number is equals to rand function plus percentile 100 plus 1. 100 why we are written? Because it's an upper number and 1 is a lower number. So we have to guess the number between 1 to 100 only. So that is the reason we have written like this. And the cout, we printed the number guessing game. And in this program we use do while. Okay, so do open brace. So here cout, enter your guess number between 1 to 100. So we have taken the guess number as an input from the user, and we have incremented number of tries because initially it was 0, and again we are going to increment this number of tries, and we are checking whether some conditions we are using here, conditional statements, if else. And because why we are using, because guess number can be higher or lower, or it can be equal to the random number. So that is the reason we are going to check here conditional statements. Firstly, if you see here, if guess number is greater than random number, for suppose random number may be example as 5, and guess number I have guessed the number as 6. 6 is greater than 5. So whenever like this you are giving, then you will get output as your guess is too high. If else, if guess is less than random number, sorry, your guess is too low, try again. And again else statement, if your guess is not high, if your guess is not low, it will be equal to the random number, then it is your guess is correct. Well done, you have guessed it. And how many tries you have taken also, and in how many guesses you have told the correct answer, it also prints that value also. And here while, it is the end of the condition. Like here in this while, guess is not equal to random number. For suppose you are trying, and again the guess is not equal to random number, and again you have to return the 0. So this is a program of number guessing game. So it is one of the project. It was developed using C++. So to develop this particular project, firstly the main terms in this project is, firstly, this random number is equal to rand percentile 100 plus 1. This is a random number generation. Again, we have used some different library functions, C, stdlib, and C time, and these are some library functions we have used. And also srand time of 0, because for different random number generation we have taken here srand of time of 0. So this is a program. Let's see what is the output we are going to get when we run this program. So when we are going to run this program, we'll get the output in the terminal itself because we have taken input. And let's see. So it is asking enter your guess number between 1 to 100. So let's enter 4. So your guess is too low. It means the guess can be higher than 4. 7. Maybe your guess is very low. Again, it can be greater than 7. 35. Yes, your guess is correct. Well done, you have guessed it in 3 guesses. So this is a way we are going to get the output for the number guessing game. So I hope you understood about this project, and this project mainly focused on the loops concept, operators concept, random function, and one of the 2 libraries we have used, C time standard library and C stdlib.h. So this is about a project of number guess game using C++. So thank you for watching my video, and we'll meet in the next video. Bye.